Okay, so 2 things to know about me. I love crafting and interior decorating, and I have this room in my home which has had many purposes over the years, but for the past few years it's been my workout room / home office / crafting room. But I really don't like it in there. The vibes aren't too great. So I'm going to finally take the time to give this room some TLC and make it a space that will foster creativity and be functional for work. I've been telling myself I was going to do this for years and never got around to it, but there's no time like the present, and I really need a space other than my bedroom to work out of. So let's get into designing my crafting / home office / workout room. Part 1.
Hello friend. So I'm going to be working on my office space a little bit today. I haven't really done much. I got a new rug. This is my rug. It doesn't look like what it looked like online, but I mean, I'm not mad. What they send me it's cute. And because this is the first thing that I bought and I haven't really accessorized or done too much of anything with my accent colors yet, it's not the end of the world that it isn't necessarily the exact color that I thought it was going to be originally. But yeah, I got a rug. And I also put in my 2 mannequins. So the one that looks a little bit more ratchet on the further side, that one was already in here and I've like been using that one. But the other one, I just had it in my room as like a little decorative piece or whatever. But I think it's going to live in here permanently because it was in the corner of my room, like on the furthest side, but it was next to my bed. And when I would be like going to sleep at night, sometimes it's a little creepy to like see the shape of a body in like your peripheral vision. And it would kind of freak me out sometimes. So I think I'm just going to keep it in here and then I don't have to have like little mini heart attacks before I go to bed. It was also really cool when I first brought this piece into my room, or not into my room, into this room, the way the sun was like coming in through the window, it was like hitting it and it was making it glow and it looked like there was like a disco ball or something up in this room. And I was like, oh my gosh, wait, that's actually kind of cool. So I like contemplated on whether or not I wanted to get a disco ball. I'm not gonna get a disco ball, but it was very cool. That's really all that I've done so far in this room. I got my rug, put that down, put those in there. But next up, I'm going to be working on this wall that is right behind me. Ta-da! On the wall next to me, I'll just show you. I have like this little wall trim thing that I put up. And I want to do the same for this wall. So I need to go to Lowe's and get the little like wall molding strips. So that way I can cut them down to size, paint them, and put them on the wall. Because this is not only like my crafting / home office room, I also do workouts in here. And I have a pole like literally sitting right in the middle of this room. It's literally what I'm leaning my phone on to talk to you guys right now. Because that's there, I want to make sure that I leave the floor space as like cleared as possible, so that way I can still do my workouts and I don't have to move the pole anywhere. 1, because I just don't really know where else I would put it, but 2, I don't really know how to take it down. So I just have to make sure that I leave adequate space for me to still get a workout in without having to move things around. I also think it'll be kind of nice to just have the floor space as open as possible because I can sit on the floor, like lay all my stuff out when I'm crafting, or you know, when I'm filming stuff. Sometimes I want to put down like a backdrop, and you know, it's kind of hard to do when you have like a bunch of junk like all over the place. That is it. I'm gonna get myself together and I'll head out to Lowe's and I will see you guys when I get back. Bye. just got back from the store. I bought 8 of these little trimmy wood piece things. I forgot to measure the ones I already did so that I would know exactly how many I should be getting. So hopefully 8 is enough. And then I don't know if I'll use these for anything. I just thought they were pretty and I didn't get that many of them because I didn't know if I was going to be using them for anything. I found these little decorative pieces that you could also like put on or in, you know, the wall molding thing. So I got those 2, and then I got these, which now that I think about it, if I really wanted to use this, I'm gonna have to go back to the store because I just bought enough to put on 1. But that's okay. I don't even know if I want to use them. But yeah, I just figured I'd get these, just test them out, give it a try, see if I like them. And hopefully if I do like them and I want them on my walls, they have more of them there when I go back. I'm gonna go ahead and measure out these little things so I can start, you know, cutting them and getting them put up on my wall. I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. I'll take you guys kind of sort of along the journey of me doing this. So, see y'all later. Step 1, you gotta have some moisturized lips as you get ready to do this kind of work. Got my tape measure. Time for me to measure. One down, 2 more to go.
Such an easy little like project to do.
2 out of 3 done. Done. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's the next day. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. And my mirror came in. I literally just ordered it yesterday, as you guys saw, like, you know, when I was like painting those things back there. Yeah, I ordered my mirror and it literally came the next day. FedEx is really trying to get on my good side. They said it would be delivered today, but I didn't believe them because they are liars. But it's here and I'm really excited, so let's go ahead and take a look at it together. I'm literally in the middle of filming another YouTube video as I like got the notification that this came. So I'll link that video in the description or like somewhere here, so you can check that video out because I'm sure it's going to come out well before I get around to uploading this video. Oh wait, am I opening this one? Oh my gosh. Ew. Oh, this is so cute.
And it's so clean too. Like I need to clean the mirror that's in my room. But this is my new mirror. Okay, so I'm really happy with this mirror. I really like it. It's very beautiful. I approve. Good job, Jordan. You did a good job picking that out. But yeah, I have a video that I need to go finish filming. So I'm gonna do that and I will see you guys sometime soon with more room decorating. So I have a bulletin board now. Now I don't have to like do my drawings of some of my ideas and stuff. I don't have to like draw them on a piece of paper and then sit them in miscellaneous places in my house. I now have a board that I can stick it all up on. It might get chaotic here, but at least they will all be in the same place. That's gonna be really helpful. So this is what this is looking like now. I also put like a window film on this little window in this corner of this room because like, I don't know, like my neighbors on this side, they're kind of close and I just don't like the fact that I can look in their windows, they can look in my windows, even though I'm not doing anything crazy in here. I just kind of wanted to cover that. So that's nice. So that's covered and this is up. I am going to have to take this back down and cover it because this little thing, this fabric that's on it is really ugly. I'm going to take that down at a later point in time. I just don't feel like doing that just yet. The other thing that I was planning on doing, which I don't know if I'm gonna do it or not, is for this little like alcove space, I was thinking of putting wallpaper up and like painting it a darker color so it really looked like, you know, cute little alcove vibes or whatever. But I don't know. So like this is the wallpaper that I was going to use and it's paintable. And then these were the two colors that I already happen to own that I was debating on whether or not I should use them. But I really have no idea. I don't know if I'm going to like it in this space or not. And now it is just paint. I always could just paint it back. Am I really going to want to paint it one of these colors possibly and then have to possibly do it or put it back? Of course not. So I'm just trying to think this through before I go making any decisions on that. But that is what I have so far. Oh, I also moved my desk. So my desk used to be in the little alcove space, but there is a closet over there that I wasn't really using, but I guess I need to just like clean out all the clothes and stuff from there that I'm not using. So I'm gonna clean that out so that way I can use that closet as storage, and I guess I'll keep my desk over here. I know I want to go to like Home Goods and see if I can find a plant stand because I want to add more plants in here, but I obviously need somewhere to put them, and I want tall plants, but I don't want to sit them on the floor because my dog, he gets in everything. So I just need something to raise him off the floor just a teeny bit to make him just slightly less enticing to him. But I don't think I'll do that today. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. I think I'm done as far as what I'll do for today. So that is my update. That is what this room is looking like so far. See you guys later whenever I get around to doing a little bit more of this room. Bye.